Introducing GIDAE Skincare. Breakthrough skincare technology. GIDAE Anti-Aging Cream has been formulated with clinically proven ingredients to target and treats all core aging mechanisms simultaneously, radically rebuilding, revitalizing, and rejuvenating damaged skin. With each application, GIDAE will hydrate, nourish, and tighten the skin, eliminating stubborn wrinkles and deep fine lines to help achieve youthful clarity and a luminous vibrancy. Benefits of GIDAE Skincare. 1. Replenishes hydration. Rebuilds the collagen network to lock in moisture and leave the skin feeling soft and supple. 2. Eliminates wrinkles. Smooths the look of stubborn wrinkles and deep fine lines, giving your skin a flawless finish. 3. Delivers nourishment. Restores dermal proteins and cell factors to repair damaged skin cells. 4. Counters free radicals. Offers antioxidant support to combat free radicals and in turn reduce stress-related aging. 5. Restores elasticity. Stimulates elastin production to retain the structure of the dermal matrix, lifting and plumping the skin. 6. Evens skin tone. Reduces the damage caused by photoaging, evening out skin tone and texture. The science behind GIDAE. Dermatologist formulated and recommended. GIDAE works at a cellular level to decongest the dermal matrix and reinforce its natural structure. Both these mechanisms work synergistically to improve hydration and simultaneously lift and plump the skin, reducing wrinkles and lines for a smooth finish. Key ingredients of GIDAE Skincare. All-natural anti-wrinkle ingredient matrix. Hyaluronic acid. Why does a baby's skin always look so deliciously dewy? We're born with naturally high levels of hyaluronic acid, giving baby's skin that rosy, pillowy look. HA acts as a moisture-binding molecule, but its levels diminish as we age. Restoring skin's supply can drastically reverse the look of wrinkles by improving hydration retention. Vegetable collagen. Collagen gives skin its strength and structure. In youth, the body consistently produces collagen, but collagen synthesis begins to decline with age. Most collagen-containing products are sourced from marine animals, fish, erase, repair. 2% hyaluronic anti-aging cream contains 100% vegan collagen sourced only from plants. Radish root. A natural alternative to chemical preservatives such as phenoxyethanol and parabens. Radish root acts as an antimicrobial agent to prevent product spoilage, without the nasty allergens and harsh environmental toxins found in synthetic preservatives. Enjoy visibly younger-looking skin. Click the link in the description below for order. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information.